Hey, today in this video I'm going to talk about really amazing Android box from Chinese company called UGOOS. Basically, I have their most powerful Android box under the name UT8 Pro. Basically, it is really a powerful Android box, and I believe in this moment it could be the most powerful box in the world because, for example, it has 8 GB of memory DDR4, but also it has very powerful CPU under the hood, as you can see, RK3568. Also, it does not come with latest Android, but at least latest Android 11, dual Wi-Fi, gigabit internet connection, HDMI 2.1, USB 3 port. Basically a really interesting Android box, and of course in the next few minutes I'm going to show you what accessories you will receive besides the box itself, but also I'm going to show you how the user interface looks, how YouTube works, what can you do with this Android box, and of course how good it is overall for this price range, because the price at this moment is approximately 180 US dollars, so below $200. So stay tuned, because I am going to show you what accessories you will receive. So as you can see, this is all what you will receive in the box, and of course the power adapter. So basically you will receive HDMI cable, two removable Wi-Fi antennas, remote control with air mouse functionality, the power adapter, which is, from what I can see, 5 volts 3 amperes, so basically 15 watts power supply, and most importantly the box itself. If I remember correctly, it is available in blue and white color, but I'm not sure. This blue color is actually really cool. On the top of device we have the LED light, in the middle of the company's name, UGOOS. On the one side of the device we have connections for Wi-Fi antennas. Basically, if you want, you can connect even stronger or better Wi-Fi antennas. This is power on off button. On the bottom of the device we have recovery and mascom buttons, but also space to the hot air go out. On the other side we have gigabit LAN port, two USB ports, HDMI, speedoff and DC 5 volts port. On the other side we have USB 3, micro SD card slot, audio, aux in, and another USB. So basically this is how the device itself looks. UT8 Pro is very well made, because the case is not made from plastic. Actually it is made from good quality aluminum. I believe it is aluminum, so it provides good feeling. Also the final finish of the design is also very good, because if you take a closer look you can see that every detail on device is carefully designed and constructed, like on other cheaper devices. Of course, overall, for now everything looks good, and I hope that the same thing will be now when I start the device with Android, and we will take a look user interface, what programs or applications are pre-installed, how the Android as operating system works. So stay tuned. So basically this is the home page or user interface of this Android box. Before I start, I want to apologize because I tried several different screen recorder applications like X Recorder and Mobizen, but both of them are not working properly and I am not able to record a screen with screen recorder application. Because of that, as you can see, I'm recording with smartphone. So basically, I'm going to show you now how the user interface looks and what kind of applications are pre-installed on this device. So basically, it is good that it doesn't come with too many pre-installed applications. Basically, I have only installed CPU-Z, Geekbench 5, YouTube, Mobizen, and X Recorder. So these applications are installed by me. All other applications have come pre-installed, which is good idea because many people doesn't like to have too many applications pre-installed, and it just slows the system. So basically this is a good thing. And let's see, for example, what in settings page we can see. It has 57 gigabytes of storage space because other 7 gigabytes is obviously for operating system. And besides that, you can use micro SD card for external storage if you need. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, language, input and devices. Here you can additionally adjust settings for your screen or display. Actually, it provides many different settings, which is really nice. Basically, let's see, for example, standard information about this Android box with CPU-Z. Okay, quad-core CPU with maximum speed 1.99 GHz. GPU Mali G52. It has approximately 8 GB of RAM, which is really impressive, and all the time approximately 5 GB is available. It comes with installed Android version 11. And what is most interesting, to be honest, on many cheaper Android box devices, you don't see updates. Many of updates are provided with some other user from forums, Reddit and other. But here, when I have for the first time turned on the device, it provided me updates for some fixes in the system for device, which is really nice. So basically you can expect to have good after sales support for your UGOOS device. Let's see another. Let's try Geekbench. Okay, it will last not too long, of course. Let's pause the video and we will return when the Geekbench 5 comparison and testing is finished. So finally the benchmark testing is done and we can see the benchmark results. This is the single core score. This is multi-core. Let's see something else. These are different testing and results. Okay, let's see this comparison. For example, Galaxy S21 Ultra 924. This is 165. And multi-core comparison. These are comparison results. Okay, let's see something else. For example, let's see device info. System Android 11. CPU information. It has very good Wi-Fi receipt. Basically with dual Wi-Fi antennas the signal is amazing. As you can see, you can clearly and easily get full signal for Wi-Fi. Okay. Let's see how YouTube works. Let's see just a moment where I can find a library. No, this. Let's try this. This is my YouTube channel, because I'm not able to show you videos from other channels because of copyright rules, but I'm going to show you my channel to see how YouTube works, but I believe everything should work just fine. For example, this is the game which I have personally made for Android. You can see it from the beginning. Actually, it's a really cool game. Let's see. It's a platformer type of game. It is available on Google Play Store. So basically, if you like this kind of games, just search on Google Play for Psycho Adventures. And I believe you will be satisfied with this game. At least it is a really cool game to play sometimes. Also, I'm going to share my link of the game in the video description. So basically, we can see that YouTube playback is working just fine, no lags, no other issues or problems, but this was expected for this kind of Android because it has very powerful hardware, but at the same time, from what I can see, the operating system is polished, which is very important because many times we have some kind of device and it doesn't have polished software, and because of that it is not working properly. But from what I can see, it works just fine. Let's see another video, for example. So basically, this is another video from my YouTube channel. We are reviewing really cool power amplifier from Chinese company FX Audio, and I can tell you that it is also a very good device. You should definitely see this review also from my channel. But overall, as I said earlier, this device is very good. Operating system is polished, hardware is powerful, don't forget 8 GB of RAM. So overall, I believe you should watch your movies and YouTube without any problems. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you Netflix, IPTV or similar applications because of copyright rules, but I can assure you that I have tried IPTV and some other services like this, and they work properly without lags, without any problems. So basically, this device is born for watching movies, IPTV, YouTube, as you already saw. Also, you can use it for gameplay, for surfing. So basically, it's really nice device. And that's it. In the next few minutes, see the last part of the video. So, as conclusion, I can freely say that this device is actually a very good Android box, and I can confirm that at this moment, at least with my knowledge, UGOOS UT8 Pro is basically it is the most powerful Android box in the world, thanks to built-in hardware, which is very powerful, but at the same time it provides good quality. For example, for build quality, materials, really nice design, dual Wi-Fi antennas, amazing air mouse, and the most importantly, it works very good in Android. For example, for watching movies, YouTube, IPTV, and of course for the games. So basically, if you're looking for good quality Android box, you should definitely consider this one, because at the end it costs below $200, and for this kind of hardware, accessories, and of course build quality, it definitely deserves this price. So basically, if you have any Android box from this Chinese company, please share in the comments, tell me what do you think. Do you consider maybe to buy this Android box, or tell me what do you think. Bye.